Here is a seam along the bottom line of the skirt. To do this, draw a line at a distance of 2.6 centimeters from the cut. I remind you that the seam allowance is 1.5 centimeters, but now I need exactly 2.6 centimeters. You will understand why. Now I lay the cut of this 2.6 centimeters line like this. These 2.6 are halved. As a result, now you see from the cut to the fold 1.3 centimeters. I sew the seam at a distance of less than 1 millimeters. I cut the thickness from the transverse seam. I cut over the fold. And now I continue to sew. At this stage, this is the result. The seam is done. Now I iron. After that, I cut off the allowance as close to the seam line as possible. I bend 2 millimeters and sew a seam into a seam. Here is the result. As you understand, the allowance of 1.5 centimeters consists of two allowances. The first is 1.3 centimeters and the second is another 2 millimeters. See you soon!